Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the application of environmental management system. Introductions to EMS, where EMS is environmental management system, providing a framework for organizations to manage their environmental responsibility. They help the organizations reduce their environmental impact and improve the efficiency. The EMS is a systematic approach that integrates an environmental considerations into a business operations. See here, the EMS is consisting of mainly four, which is known as a plan, do, check, and a act. Importance of an EMS. Implementing an EMS can lead to a significant cost savings by reducing the waste and energy consumptions. It enhances an organization's reputations and builds a trust with stakeholders and customers. The compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is easier with an established EMS. The key components of an EMS. The key components of an EMS includes policy, formulations, planning, implementations, and a review. The continuous improvement is a fundamental principle that underpins the EMS framework. The employee involvement and training are the crucial for successful implementations of EMS. ISO 14001 standard. ISO 14001 standard is the most recognized international standard for EMS. It provides a structured approach for an organizations to follow in deploying their EMS. The certifications to ISO 14001 demonstrate an commitment to an environmental management to stakeholders. Policy development. The organization must define their environmental policies such as foundations of their EMS. The policy should reflect the organization's commitment to an environmental protections and compliance. It should be communicated with to all the employees and stakeholders to ensure the understanding and employment. Environmental accepts and impacts. The organizations must identify their environmental accepts and evaluate their impacts. This assessment helps prioritize the areas for improvement and focus resource effectively. Understanding these accepts is essential for setting the measurable objectives within an EMS. Legal and other requirements. The compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is critical aspects of EMS. The organizations should stay informed about the relevant environmental laws and regulations. Integrating these requirements into an EMS ensures that an organizations operate within a legal framework. There are some examples like rules, standards, policy, requirements, regulations, and transparencies and laws. The objectives and targets of an EMS. The setting clear environmental objectives and targets is vital for effective EMS. And objective should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, like a SMART. And regular review of these targets helps the organizations to track the progress and adopt the strategies. Implementations and operations. The effective implementations requires allocating the resource and assigning the responsibility. Training and awareness of the program should be conducted to engage the employees. The communication is a key, ensuring everyone understands their role in EMS. Monitoring and measurement. The organization must establish monitoring and measurement systems to track an environmental performance. The data collected should be analyzed to identify the trends and areas for implementations. The regular audits and inspections helps ensure the compliance and identify the potential issues. The non-conformance and corrective actions. The effective EMS includes mechanisms for addressing the non-conformance, and the organization should investigate the root cause of a non-conformance to prevent the recurrence of an EMS. The implementing and correct actions demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement. Management review. The top management should regularly review the EMS to ensure its effectiveness, and review should assess the adaptancy of the policies, objectives, and resources. The management review provide an opportunity to align the EMS with an organizational goal. Continuous improvement. The continuous improvement is a core principle of an EMS leading and a better environmental performance. The organization should forecast a culture of an innovations and a proactive problem solving. The regular updates to the EMS to ensure the remains relevant effective in addressing environmental challenges. Benefits of an EMS. The organizations implementing an EMS often experience an enhanced regulatory compliance and reduce an liability. The improved resource efficiency can lead to a significant cost saving in operations. The strong EMS enhance the brand reputations and customer loyalty through sustainable practices. Like a rule, standard, policy requirement, regulations, and a transmission and law. The challenges in an implementing EMS. The organization may face a resistance to change from employees to implementing an EMS. The limited resource and budget constraint can hinder the effective implementation of EMS. The complexity and regulatory of an requirement can pose the challenges and complications and monitoring. Thank you.